What's up, everyone? This is Luminary TV. I am joined with
Omar,
Gina,
Maria,
and we are playing Overcooked. I have no idea what this is, so let's get started.
Yes, you
Is
do.
that good?
You liar.
Stop!
She's lying for the camera.
I can't chop.
She knows
Fake.
exactly what
Fake.
this game is.
I can't stop.
Alright, we're
Let's
getting into it.
begin.
Oh my god.
That was a fail.
Alright, we're
Cut
back.
it.
oh god.
Did everybody press A?
Oh, that was me.
We need to
Wow,
jump.
well, we're waiting on you.
Alright, we're playing a new game. We're
What
playing
is
the feud.
This
I'll just be
nice man.
the first guy.
I'll be the only girl because fuck you guys.
You too. Back at you. Okay, wait.
So you grab.
Oh god.
I
Did
did
not
I
look
did
at
not,
the...
I did not
It
understand
did not
anything.
process.
We'll figure it out. So it's
So
an
we're dead.
apocalypse.
Doomsday.
We're dead.
Yep.
Yep.
No, it's apocalypse. It's the Onion King and his dog.
Oh,
Dude, the dog is the cutest.
I
Well,
thought
this
he
is
was a pumpkin.
The end of time.
Look at the dog.
The beast is approaching, and so we must act. You are all that stands between the Onion King and total annihilation. Kevin, wow, Kevin is right. We must work together to feed the.
Did you feel that? I love that.
Kevin.
I love you, Kevin.
Oh no, Mr. Frank's spaghetti monster.
Is it
Oh
like
no!
Namaste.
That was dead.
Numb is something else.
We're
Oh,
back.
his voice is a lot darker than I thought. Or deeper.
Your voice is so light.
Alright, and we're back. We're playing the feud.
Okay,
New controller, we're all good.
grab some
So,
tomatoes and
I still don't know what the controls are. What are we doing?
So you grab what they-
This out.
Alright, you need
I'm
to.
gonna cut tomatoes.
Oh, I'm farting. Oh no, it's a zoom.
Put some lettuce. Give me
What?
some lettuce now.
What am I? What are the
We are not
controls?
idiot sandwiches. Put
A
it down.
is to grab or X,
There you
Okay,
go,
X,
bitch.
got it.
and then your
this
the
stupid
square
ass
is the one.
Got it.
Here.
We're good.
Chop some more shit on me.
Cut the slice.
wait.
Alright, I'm chopping.
Sorry.
I'm chopping the lettuce.
Okay. Eat it. Ooh. Oh, that's not what he wants.
He just wants a lettuce
He
one.
just-
There's a
okay.
lettuce right here. I just chopped
Wait,
it.
we only have one plate. Oh,
I
rip.
need my plates.
You need to wash it.
Where?
At the bottom
thing.
right.
Right there. Nope.
Nope.
No, that's prepared food. Give that to him.
Give it to
doesn't
him.
want
Give it
it.
to him.
Oh.
What do you mean he doesn't want it?
Just kidding.
Lettuce.
Just lettuce.
Lettuce.
Give me that.
These are chopped.
Thank you.
Chop.
You can chop that one, and then you can chop this one, and this one, and grab this. Oh shoot! Sorry guys. There we go.
Lettuce and tomatoes.
Here. There's a lettuce down there already.
Okay, and then
Tomato.
thank
There
you.
go. Here's a. Let's put all the chops down here.
Oh yes, nice system. Here, I'm giving you the unchopped one. Right.
Oh.
There you go. There you go.
There's a tomato.
Okay, thank you.
I'm chopping a lettuce for you guys right now
And then
because
give
I know
me
you.
some
Yeah.
lettuce.
Here,
Give
here,
me
here,
some
right there,
lettuce.
Lettuce
No,
on the
put
plate.
it on my plate.
Put it on the
Thank you.
Oh, you guys can't grab it?
Nope.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes. wait. Oh.
Well, this is supposed to happen.
Kevin is amazing.
Kevin is amazing. Greetings, friends.
Oh, Kevin's
Joel, what
Clear
the?
to
He has
me
a-
now that you are not ready to take on.
Look at the carrot though. Like, I don't think that's natural for them to grow
mustache.
Oh,
hair.
1993. I was
What?
1 year old.
You must
That's why.
strike in
in the Onion Kingdom.
far and wide.
Travel
Your hungry skills to master the ancient art of cooking. Ancient art of cooking. Wow. What
From a
happened?
dark future.
Be brave, my friend.
friends. And good luck. Okay.
in an earlier round.
Are we?
Choo choo.
Are we
You're
all
already
trying to
there.
drive
Do we
this?
all control
I'm
this
controlling
simultaneously?
this.
No.
Can we just
Who's
mess this
controlling
car
this?
up?
I'm trying to control it too, but someone's going
No.
down. Where are we
There's
trying
multiple
to go?
people controlling.
I'm gonna go to the stop.
Can we go somewhere?
I'm gonna press A. Okay, I did it. Imagine 4 people actually.
Oh
trying.
no.
Soup. How to make soup.
Basic soup.
Yeah,
For the
you gotta be
basics.
basic.
Yay,
Okay,
they're teaching us the game now. 'Cause we're
Okay.
scrubs.
okay. I got plate.
Onions. I'm
I
on
got a
onions.
plate.
Oh god. Oh no.
Oh, you give it to me. We chop it here. Okay, okay. Where's
What, we
X?
just have to wait for the onions to spawn?
How do you chop it?
Chop X. X. As in
Here,
on the
I'll-
Xbox.
Oh, okay. Okay, you're
Turn it up.
Oh wow.
We need 3 more.
I didn't know that.
we're coming.
Wait,
we're
wait,
coming.
wait.
Oh.
I'm on my way. Oh!
Damn it.
Uh,
Alright, soup's being made.
I need some
What
more.
do we do?
You know, I
Wine
think
soup?
we should just. That's why there's a middle one, so you can pass it, and then
Yeah.
we can just.
Yes.
How that works.
So nobody's giving me any.
There's the prepared soup. Someone, yeah. There's a chopped up onion prepared already.
Okay.
Chopping.
Dirty place. Okay, I'll wash it. I'll wash
You're
it.
the designated washer.
I will
Alright,
wash
clean
it.
it right now.
I'll go top.
Oh, what am I doing?
I'm gonna wash these dishes. That's what I'm good for.
Give it to me. It's easy. You just pass it.
I ain't sorry. Just wishy washy, wishy washy, wishy.
I'll,
Why are you taking that?
I'll take care of chopping the onions and
We need
when
to have-
when the soup is
Someone
done,
needs to
put
put
it in the
tomato-
middle and I'll expedite.
Someone needs to be putting the tomatoes in here, some like.
Tomatoes?
I mean,
Onions?
Tomatoes aren't until later, silly.
silly rabbit.
Onions.
Okay, so, yeah. There you go. There's some onions.
My
Oh,
onions.
you stole it. Thank you very much.
Very much you.
Come on, then.
How many onions?
Don't move the blade.
My boy.
It's so much fun to chop this. It only takes like.
I just don't know how many onions or like when I should stop putting onions out.
Oh, it wasn't done.
Never stop.
Woo! This is so much fun. Synchronized chopping.
So I can
Wash plate, wash plate.
Oh yes, that's my
thought
job.
you were the
sorry.
designated.
I was trying to help you now, man. That's not what I'm confused.
I need to play.
Here, I get your plate. It's right here.
Put it at the end.
Why so far?
I mean, I guess.
No,
Oh,
there's
oh.
two ends.
Oh my god.
No, it's on the
Painful.
floor. Okay.
Painful.
Okay,
Wash
I
plate.
plate.
Oh.
Guys, we have 12 seconds. Come on, we can make probably one more.
Gimme.
One more soup.
Give me more.
One more.
We did it. 3 stars, you guys.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
let me see
I thought we
what-
failed.
I know, it was really
That
bad.
was stressful.
No, it tells you like, oh, you didn't make at least 140.
We got 20 tips.
Oh, we got a new
Hey.
chef.
Who's that?
That's me.
Looks like a monkey.
What's it mean? What is wrong with
Did
you?
you say what I thought you said?
Wow, I'm boosted.
I didn't that.
I look like a monkey?
I wasn't saying that, man.
Wow.
I didn't mean
You
that
don't
towards
say
you.
that.
I'm so sorry.
We're here on Luminary TV. We're PC.
I'm sorry.
sorry. I don't think
I'm
you look like a monkey.
sorry.
All right, things
Oh,
are gonna
no.
get more complicated. boys.
Okay. What am I doing? Where's the what? Oh,
Where's the
guys,
onions?
you guys give it to me right here.
Oh, I don't know why I
Whoa,
did that.
right here?
Oh my god. So we need to
No,
stay in our
don't trust-
boxes. We need to stay in
Yeah.
our get off pedestrian.
Why are you freaking out?
Onions.
Because I need to make it perfect.
Where are you? Who's taking back the onions over there?
I am.
Okay, that
So
was my fault.
horrible.
I kinda
I am.
Oh, tomato soup.
tomatoes.
Tomato.
So are we just one for all and all for one?
Damn. This.
Oh.
That, yeah, that's the wrong.
What?
That's the wrong number.
What is going on?
Why
You
does
need
it
one
make-
more onion in this.
Like, if you
Oh.
overcook it.
I
Tim.
was like, is it
Wow.
I'm so
Can we
confused.
redo this level because I
This is
cannot.
so bad.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Where's the
It's
fire
on fire. Everything's on
I
fire.
know, I know.
No.
All right, here's an onion.
We have to wash it.
Yes.
Okay,
wash
there
it.
you go.
Wash it.
Serve
Okay,
that up.
So it's onion. You need 3
Onion.
onions over there.
What do I do with this?
Just wash it.
I can't wash it.
I'm gonna get one more onion.
Get that tomato and that right
Why
there.
can't I tell the difference?
Can you fix that pot?
Where is this pot? Wait,
Right.
wash it. Wash
I
it.
don't know. What?
Can someone
This one
please
is
fix
ready.
that pot?
I'm
No.
trying. I don't know.
Cannot.
Where do we deliver this?
To the right, to the right. Deliver to the right.
What? What?
Okay, cool guys.
We're cooking with one pot right
Oh,
now.
there's the little thing.
What?
Where am I?
I don't understand.
What am I
We need
doing?
to fix this pot.
I don't understand.
Guys,
I don't understand.
Oh,
Can we chop that
I'm sorry.
tomato, please?
Yes,
Put that,
I'm so sorry.
put that
So
in
we
the-
need
oh,
more-
oh my god, we can cook with 2 pots finally.
Okay, so I
Throw it
need
away,
more.
throw
I
it
need more tomato. No, that's not tomato.
Get that tomato right
I
now.
need a tomato. Excuse me. I'm trying to make difference.
I'm trying to make this.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Excuse me.
Alright,
This
we
is
have
my
an
way.
onion soup coming up. Alright, I'll expedite. Someone get that tomato.
I got it. Yes, chef.
We need more tomatoes.
Oh my god, my eye is crying.
Alright, tomato soup coming
Oh
up.
shit, my eye's crying.
No, it's a failed order.
No, for real, my eyes are crying. I don't know why.
Eyes are...
What the?
Blink, girl, blink.
Blink.
Your eyes are dry.
Oh my god, my eyes are crying, guys. I don't know what to
Blink. We need more tomatoes.
It's crying really hard.
Onions or tomato soup coming
Tomatoes
up.
make me
Someone
cry.
serve that. Someone serve that.
Okay, I will.
No, we need. Well, I mean, I guess we need to.
Okay, I'm
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh my
I'll free.
Oh,
No, calm down. I'll free. Can someone put a tomato on here, please?
Take it off.
Or yeah. Oh god, I accidentally picked that up.
Can someone not let us burn?
Where did you go? To the, oh, I see it.
Wait. Oh,
a mess.
under control. I got it. Under control.
One more onion.
Okay, I'm gonna do tomato.
Serving. We need that tomato finish.
No.
5 seconds.
I got it.
Put it on the plate. Put it on the plate right here.
So close. Got 2 stars. The orders failed 2. Oh my god.
This is a mess.
This is a
That
mess.
one-
That's
that one was a lot
mess.
harder.
That's so bad.
We didn't know we can burn the food.
Well, for the first half, we were cooking with 1 pot.
One
Alright.
pot. Well, that's it for this episode. Please check in for the next one. We are. I can't do this. right.
What?
That's it for this episode. Please check in for the next one where we do the 3rd round. Let's see how much we don't suck. So please tune
Hopefully, it's
in.
another 3 stars.
3
That's
or
all.
more. or
Hopefully, we
are
cook
done.
more than 1 pot.
Get our act together.
See you
Alright,
on
later,
the next
guys.
episode.
Bye.
Bye.